Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cancel an Android update. So if you're in the middle of update, a software update, here we go. A you can actually you can cancel it. For example, in my Android Oppo, I can tap three dot at the top of my screen in the software update page. Here you can disable auto download first. By default is Wi-Fi, and now you can try to do not allow. Of course, you can turn off auto update overnight, and if you're in the middle of a update, you can try to hard reset your phone in order to cancel the update. So you can try to or retry the update when your phone is already start again. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.